Hi, I'm Patrick Harders with Sterling Lighting. I want to take a minute to go over a fixture that I love and I use a lot, the SL02. This goes by a number of names: an in-wall light, a slim light, patio light. In the hardscape industry, this is the #1 selling fixture. And I was amazed to see how often this is put in whether it's a patio, a pool, retaining wall. It's used all the time. So this fixture is the best fixture for this. There's nothing else that competes with this, nothing that compares with this light. Now, if you're not in the hardscape industry, you'll still find yourself using this fixture a lot, but also look at this light as a way to generate trade alliances. I've gone to many companies in the hardscape industry, showed them this light, helped them with the installation of this light, and then gotten the rest of the lighting project from this light being introduced to them. So what's nice about this light, we never use aluminum. I hate aluminum, especially in concrete and stone. This is still using the virgin brass. The LED is a linear LED. There's nothing that protrudes out. It gives a very soft, even wash of light. So we designed this fixture with 3 different brackets. The first one is for new construction, your traditional stone, putting it under block or putting it under a capstone. It's used also a lot in steps. We use this almost exclusively nowadays in the steps. Typically, it is just built into the riser. It performs a great light because it gives a linear light pattern and really does a great job of lighting up steps. We have this bracket. This bracket's used more for decking, wood materials. This comes with the fixture. The reason we put all 3 brackets in this fixture is just in case you're ever caught on a job. We don't want you to not have the proper bracket. So we just put all 3 of them in. And then finally, if you have an existing wall, this works great. So many of you who are just lighting guys and you're not in the hardscape industry are going to use this quite a bit, where you may put this into an existing wall. Now, some of the features about this, we use 3/16 stainless steel. Again, we're not using aluminum. The 3/16 stainless steel could hold up in case you ever run into any issues. A long time ago, I used a fixture like this that was using a 306 stainless, and the customer put down a lot of salt when they're trying to melt the ice, a de-icer, and it actually rusted right through. So we use a 3/16 that's going to hold up to all the different environmental hazards that may come about. We test this fixture inside of water, so we actually put it in a bucket of water to make sure that water can never get into it, because it is surprising how much moisture is in concrete and how much moisture is coming through block. If the LED were to ever to fail, they all come with a little Hex Tool. Your bracket can stay in the wall forever, but your LED component simply comes off. It comes right off like this. This stays in the wall. Take a new one and replace it. One of the great ideas we had with this light is we actually did a wire groove. What this allows us to do is change out this fixture very easily. Not too long ago, I had to service another fixture similar to this that did not have the wire groove, and I had only about 1/4 inch to 1/8 of an inch of wire to work with, which meant I was chipping through concrete to get enough wire to make a connection. This fixture hides behind it a few inches of wire. This allows you to free yourself up so you have wire so you could connect a new fixture just in case anything were to ever happen. At Sterling Lighting, we try and think of every possible scenario and worst case scenarios in many cases, just in case anything should ever happen that is easy for you to fix and take care of. Our goal is to have 0 callbacks, to have 0 problems, 0 issues, and that way you install this lighting system and you could move on to the next project.